is all about you guys giving construction a try. That's why we're here.
Today to really try and encourage young people to get involved.
Showing the kids all the different options and different opportunities and the diversity there is in this industry.
We wanted to show people that there's various different careers in construction, not just out on site but also in the office.
I like the bricking and plastering as it was fun and a new experience.
I've enjoyed all of it.
Hopefully it'll encourage more people, more schools, more exhibitors, the industry to take more interest and be involved again next year and try and get this to be an annual event and make it a bigger and better opportunity and selling the industry to more children in the future.